I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening OnlyWay and signing in. If you don't have an account, create one now so your watch history syncs. Once done, allow the minimal permissions requested. Only enable camera or mic for social watch parties. Next, find a movie using search or curated rows and tap its thumbnail to view details. Make sure to press play. The player loads adaptive quality based on your connection, so expect a brief buffer before playback begins. Now that playback is running, learn the controls. You can tap to reveal the scrub bar and drag for precise seeking, or double-tap the screen edges to skip 10 seconds quickly. If streaming stutters, open settings and lower the quality or switch to a fixed bitrate so buffering stops. Enable subtitles or alternate audio there for accessibility. Once you find titles you like, add them to a watch list or playlist. Switch profiles to preserve personal recommendations and family viewing history. To finish your session, decide whether to download the movie for offline viewing and choose storage location plus quality. Higher quality needs more space. Once ready, use the share button to invite friends or launch a synced watch party so everyone watches together. Make sure attendees use compatible app versions. If something goes wrong, clear the app cache, sign out and back in, restart the app or device, and reconnect to Wi-Fi. If issues persist, reinstall, only way to restore default settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.